Hey traders, welcome to episode 368 of TO Me Mitch Ray. Could be doing anything, so thank you. Glad you're here. Alright, just got Bitcoin on the daily up right now. Okay, I mean, good news. Cryptosphere, anti-Elon Musk fans, whatever, rejoice. You know, in case you were living under a rock and you don't have the internet or care about crypto, yeah, Coinbase, XRP, going to Coinbase Pro, whatever. So, big deal. I'm sure a lot of people are rejoicing. We talked about all this in the day stream, whatever. So, it's just kind of a reiteration of what happened, right? So, you only got like 3-cent gain on Ripple from that move, and it ended up just being a lower high, the US dollar anyway. And it actually, on XRP to Bitcoin, it was also a lower high in a downsloping structure, right? So, come on, man. We need more than that. But maybe Bitcoin could give us what we're looking for to keep this going for XRP. Because guess what? XRP has got to have Bitcoin performance. Okay? And we know even with Bitcoin performance, XRP sometimes doesn't want to play ball, right? So all we're asking for Bitcoin is just chill out on volatility for a little bit, okay? Let some of these altcoins run. Let Engine Coin run. What, partnership with like Samsung or something ridiculous, okay? Things just still up like 100% on the day. It was at one point up like 200+% since sold off some. So yeah, man, definitely have some big winners today. Whatever. Bitcoin, all it did was pivot, right? We asked pivot or dump, pivot or screwed. Well, pivoted for now, but that was just because we were oversold on a 60-minute time scale with a slight amount of divergence, broke to the upside, and we have now hit a 23% retrace, right? A minor retrace, right? We're just talking about from this high, the height of the move, to the low where we ended up pivoting, 23% retrace. So we may not be done retracing. Where we did pivot was critical. Had to have it, okay? If you're to hold out any hope for the major retrace that we think could happen in the future, you gotta stay outside of this channel on the upside, right? You've got to hold above this old resistance area as a support. Seems like maybe, and look, man, anything can happen, but the first step to really retracing is this right here, okay? You break out of a structure you had been in since mid to late November. Okay, you break out, you're enthusiastic, oh my God, man. Just, it was the tail end of the Gartley pattern, right? And we sold off big bearish engulfing candle, big double top, right? Close and reverse, right? Rug pull. So, high or low, that's great, but guess what, man? Not gonna be very easy to get up to this higher high, higher than 4,200 roughly.
Dude, you are the freaking man. Thanks, Mitch. Bowing deeply. Billiards. Raised fist.
Is that a joint?
That boy is good.
Thanks, Jonathan Krause, man, for the 420 contribution, man. Did you do that earlier in the stream today? Man, really appreciate generosity, dude. It means a lot, and the kind words mean even more. So thank you, man. Kangs, dude. I didn't clear the jar. I just left it from the day stream. Whatever, dude. Okay. So, thanks, brother, man. For that is, you have this 2 in there now. The 2 marijuanas on the day. Thanks, brother, man. So, really, you know, talking about the major retrace. Still on the daily. High to low. Oh, everyone tired of talking about the daily? You're looking for 44.22 and 52.31. We have never hit those, okay? They have never been touched. So we do know the big money that would want nothing more than to short the crap out of this thing at good areas of value. We haven't gotten that good area of value yet, okay? So you just gotta wait, man. We'll see if this can hold up and we can keep on running, keep on rallying to eventually hit our first reversal area, 44.33. The first reasonable reversal area based on people having stupid amounts of short positions, limit shorts right here or here or here. Okay, maybe even if you're crazy lucky and irrational, 5,800, 78% retrace. But I don't know, man. I get it. It had to happen, right? We had to pull back. 4-hour bearish divergence, receding volume. I mean, it was everything at critical areas of resistance, right? The top of the Gartley. Man, it was just done, dude. The rule of three big old impulses up. You had to come back at some point. Okay, so let's hope that it was a short and sweet, quick and clean, big candle down, and we can begin the recovery of this slight rally. I mean, it all started really, you know, early February, so it's been going on for a little bit. So all about that consolidation. Consolidation. What? Whoops, didn't mean to do that, man. Sorry. Consolidation. We're talking about right here. A huge impulse down. Upsloping consolidation. High to low. What we just talked about. 23% retrace. Below the 50. Below the 20 moving average. Still above the 200 though. Alright. You had that golden cross that occurred on Valentine's Day, right? It was a super romantic golden cross. So, whatever, dude. So the contradicting variables here discussed in the day stream where you have pivoted off the bottom trend line of an upsloping structure, a channel, right? The impulse was huge, and the consolidation is very, very bearish looking, right? You're contrasting the impulse with your consolidation, giving reason to believe we might have another impulse down at some point, but what you're hoping to happen is you just keep on bouncing, just extend it out, man, as long as you can, right? And during that time, hey, man, maybe other altcoins, there's opportunity out there for them to run while Bitcoin's lacking in volatility. Because since we just got so much volatility, maybe we'll consolidate. Other things will hit targets, run up, run down, whatever, and eventually it'll just get be such a long flag. You got a higher percentage chance of it being invalidated. The longer the drawn out consolidation pattern is, okay, especially a flag, right? So that's all we got right now, man. Still waiting for more data, okay? But it seems like bearish consolidation for now. But there is hope. There is hope. And that's pivoting off an upsloping support. That's it, man. Okay. Speaking of XRP, man. Speaking of it. There it is, dude. Big ol' whatever, dude. You know, you started at like 30 cents and you ran to a high of 34.17. Okay, it was a pretty decent run, but where we are now is 33.2 cents. So as it stands, just 33 cent or a 3 cent gain, right, on the move up, the impulse up. Very cool how it worked out, right? Where we just had 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom, 1 on the top, almost 2 on the top. But look at this, man. The candle closes, right? Never really closed below it, and then just pivoted and ran on news. So not really what you're looking for, right? Normally on those kind of moves, you're looking for an engine coin thing, right? Type of move where you're up 200%. Sorry, dude. I don't even know what you're up. You were up yesterday. It was whatever, but down a little bit today since the daily closed about, what, 4 hours ago? So anyway, man. Hey, you know, good news is, hey, you're back outside and above that 75% trend line of the equidistant channel every single time we try. We've had the ability or opportunity to break above it. We have failed miserably. I'm talking every freaking time. Wow, dude, my GPU really doing this, dude? I un-SLI'd. Okay, I'm using one GPU for my stream platform encoding, and then one for graphical encoding for my monitors and stuff. So seems a little slower, I guess. I don't know, man. No bueno. But anyway, falling wedge pattern. Keep your eye on the prize. If this was the the move we were getting outside the wedge, you've only hit one minimum target. You're still hoping for, as a trader, you're hoping for that 37.5 cent primary target to hit, secondary real target to hit around 39.8 cents. They could, man. They could. And it looks like with Asia waking up just hours ago, like 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago, nothing, man. No moves at all from that. what I said, dude. Oh, yeah. Cool, dude. I wish it was a better move, too. I'm sure like everyone else, dude. Like everyone else. Oh, yeah. Ethereum, dude. Ethereum, man. What's happening, dude? Well, this looks like a ascending broadening wedge. You broke out of it. You ran up. You back tested. You just keep on back testing and failing to break back into the area that was once a support. It's now resistance. You can't break it. Your 20 moving average is bearishly crossing over your 50 as we speak. As you type in chat. All right, so 60-minute and maybe just symmetrical triangle, whatever, you know, just using all the wicks and stuff, whatever. It's really not going to be a big move either way, but hey, whatever, dude. You're just looking at consolidation, man. Price contraction is occurring at this time. The lower high than the wick, right? But some could argue and say use this wick and make it an ascending triangle. Okay, if you do that, man, guess what? Measure moves almost the exact same, so you're not really outsmarting anyone by arguing about it, dude. We just know there's a structure, there's a measured move of the structure when it inevitably breaks one way or another. Okay, great. So we could go, if the measure moves hit, it goes as low as 130, 129.73, or 155. Okay, so it's not that large of a pattern, but there will still be movement, right? You're getting towards the apex where you're about 80% of the way plus there. So we coming, man. We coming. And, you know, really the volume is receding too, so calm before the storm.
Boom. Collision.
Boom. Collision.
Is that a joint?
That boy is good.
Thanks, Jonathan Krause, man. Dang, dude, for the 840 this evening. Dang, dude, that's awesome, man. I really appreciate it. Seriously, dude, thank you. Y'all are all just, I don't know, a blessing in my life. Okay. And I don't know where I'd be without you. Okay. Y'all are amazing. Okay, man, but, you know, if we want to talk about scary measure move stuff, and you want to talk about a measure move and ascending broadening wedge, dude, we know where it is. Way down here. You better pray Bitcoin recovers. Otherwise, yeah, it's going to be a nasty, gnarly ride down for Ethereum to the US dollar pair. Okay. Don't think that Ethereum's going to just survive while Bitcoin's dumping. Sorry. It's not going to happen. So that's what we're hoping for, man. We know Fibonacci really hardcore, and we know that Bitcoin has still yet to make those major retraces to 4,400 minimum. 52 kind of maximum in a way, a little bit. And that's what gives us a slight amount of optimism on this market, at least for some more long gains. Okay, but up there, dude, up there, we're going to be keeping our eye on each fib node for bearish signs, for bearish divergence, bearish patterns, rising wedges, whatever. Bring it on, man. We're looking forward to it when we can get there. But for now, we just have to remain patient as swing traders, dude. We just made a killing. If you didn't make money from like February 7th to just like Saturday, dude, I don't know what to tell you, man. Like you must be new here, or you just don't trust what I say, or whatever. I mean, and it's not even that I'm telling you what to do. I'm just showing you how the market interprets these candles, these charts. So whatever, man. You can believe the perma bears. They just say 1,200. They might be right, but dude, they might be right in a year or two, dude. Then what? Oh, they can tweet. They can tweet and say they were right, man. Oh my God, dude. You helped nobody in that time. Okay. If their message is don't invest in crypto, hey, we kind of have the same kind of message too, but we aren't going to lie and say that Bitcoin isn't going to go up and down in between that 1 year, 2 year period where they're finally right on their call. Wow, dude. So special, dude. Okay. What we get on 60-minute, just, you know, doesn't really matter, but we just got a death cross on Ethereum. Ugh, gross, man. Gross. Oh, holy crap. One thing I do want to, you know, just bring up, it's still on my screen. Been pretty busy this evening. Chores and stuff. A lot of it. If you're not feeling right, not feeling good, there's always something that can be cleaned. Okay. You clean something. It's like a form of accomplishment. Feels good, man. All right. But some of those things need to be cleaned too. All right. And trash day, blah, 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 whatever. So just want to talk to y'all. I mean, not really talk about it because I mean, we just, whatever. Here it is, dude. Bearish butterfly pattern. We did a nice in-depth education session on the butterfly because someone said, hey, is that a bearish butterfly? And we said, and it was like, yes, Litecoin. Someone was asking, hey, man, bearish butterfly. And they were really just looking like right here, I think, right? X, A, B, C, and they're hoping for D, whatever. Here's your issue. You can't, it's wrong. It's not real. It's not valid. Why? You know what? Let's talk about it. Why, chat? And I'll let y'all answer. I'm just going to sit here and not say anything until you talk about it. Until you tell me. I'm sure someone come over there because they probably watched the stream earlier. Why is this not a valid pattern? Jeez, man, I can't get it. Here you go. Why is this not a valid pattern? On Litecoin as a bearish butterfly, man. I can't make it zoom out anymore, dude. It sucks. Sorry. That's all I can do. Hey, that's still a lot of room, though. Okay, why is it not? Tom H, what you mean the middle part? What does that mean, dude? What is it, dude? Jeez, man. Is it just a delay, I guess? Right? Okay. Well, this is promising. Very, very promising on these questions. I can just sit here. I mean, I see some people trying to answer, but it's like we got like 180 people watching and like 4 people maybe even saying something. There you go. There you go. And I believe the first person to answer it right pretty much was Tom. Okay. Pretty much was Tom. Where this pattern does not have the makings of it, right? Because it only retraced about 58% of the way, when it should, in fact, have retraced from X to A 78.6% of the way, or a percentage point more or less around it. Okay, these don't want to be perfect, but man, they need to be really freaking close. They need to be like 2 percentage points, give or take. Okay, and then you can call it. If it's 1 percentage point off, it's probably valid, right? But yeah, dude. X day, you had a 60%, 58% retrace, and that was it. So it's not what we would consider valid. Everything else lined up pretty well though, but the apex, pretty big deal, man. The B, you got, that's how you signify differentials. All right, different patterns of these harmonics, right? So one will be like a 78% retrace. One would just be between a 38% and 62% retrace, right? Got to make sure the ones that have like you have to have it one certain way. It's got to be within 2 percentage points, give or take, right? So that's it, dude. Anyway, so man, good job, Tom, dude, but also good job to Jeremy. Good job to Sleepy Cat. Hector Santos. Yeah, we have people that got it right, man. We got people that got it right. All right, so y'all are amazing. The ones that answered. All right, dude. I don't know, man. Like, I get it, dude. We're not PewDiePie. We're not Ice Poseidon. We don't throw food at homeless people. We do education stuff. My bad, dude. All right. Whatever. Okay, so that's gonna be gone because it won't save. But I already screenshotted it, put it in the stream. So anyway, dude. Give me a sec. I'm gonna move on. Jeez, dude. Oh my god. If you want to see what cancer looks like, look at Pundi coin on the 60-minute chart. God. Good Lord. Hold on, I gotta redo this crap. I kept doing it on my utility screen, so I don't even need like anything saved. Gosh dang it. We'll be alright. Okay. 2 seconds. Okay, man, okay. I guess, man. Alright. Here's your Indian cell phone company. Or whatever, they're handing out cell phones in India. Whatever Pundi coin does, alright? Seems like you definitely got some price contraction after an impulse. Impulse up, contraction, alright? So pretty simple. Pretty bread and butter. Now we can look at this. You can get complex with this, or you can get simple. You can, the simple man, the Leonard Skinner man would say, all right, man, I'm just going to go with God here and do the measure principle. If we break to the upside, we could see a high of 25 sats. If we see a break to the downside, we could see a low of 9 sats. So wait for confirmation because it's a neutral pattern, but you know, there's a hint of bullishness because the impulse initially was up. It's good, man. Thing is, we've already broken the structure. We broke out. Did we not break out already? So what does that tell you? I think there's areas of resistance where we could crap out if we ever decided to run again. There's 3 right there, 27, 33, and 36. Okay, you could fib here from the height of the structure to the bottom, but there's just so many other ways to get targets too. See, the problem is, man, from your lowest point, you've already retraced 38% of the way. That's where you're stalling. You're stalling at a 382. So that's like the minimum area where something might, you know, that's the common retrace or the golden zone. So we very well could reverse to the downside here, and it wouldn't be a big deal at all. Wouldn't be weird. You know why? Because false breakouts happen more commonly than real breakouts. Okay, we're outside consolidating, and we could dump back into the pattern.
Boom. Collision.
Boom. Collision.
Is that a joint?
Whoa, what the? That was a wardrobe malfunction. Sorry about that.
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
Dude, Jonathan, man. What happened? Did you, it didn't, count. It didn't show up on the session top thing. What? Are you kidding me, dude? That kind of pisses me off. Thanks, dude, for the multitude of 420s this evening. Really appreciate it, dude. Thanks. So, you know, I mean, like, how are fibs going to be that reliable for you if that's the case, right? 382 already. You know you could crap out at 23, 26 sats. I mean, where the 618 is right around that measured move of the triangle. So that might be your best bet, okay? So maybe if we broke to the upside here, Pundi coin could be 26 sats rich, okay, dude? Which is a probably stupid percentage gain at this point, man. It's like you're literally sitting at 17 sats, man. That's like, I don't know, like 6% of 1 cent or something stupid, dude. All right. Good luck, Pundi coin. But you're like, is that an inverse head and shoulders? Nah, dude. Nah. I don't think so, dude. No inverse head and shoulders, dude. Like, how do you... That's not a discernible, like, shoulder at all. That's it, dude. Just keep it simple. Look at the price contraction going on after the impulse. That's it, dude. Bread and butter. Okay, Pundi coin. Connect. Okay. Let's look at some chat, man. All right. I don't even know. Have we even started on chat? Am I crazy here? Did I even look at chat tonight? I don't think I did. I'm sorry about that. What's up, Candlesticks? Tim C. Kangs, man. Kangs, yep. Jack Brown. That's right, dude. Zipper. Why Stratus not pumping? It partnered with Microsoft on a project. You got a source for that? Post it in chat. What's up, Tom H, man? Next to Paid, Eric Jackson. We drinking tonight? I don't think so, man. Drinking some Irwin tea, though. Some Chinese black tea. Crazy, man. What's up, Mr. Mean? JD, Logan Kang, Coach K, Ultra Instinct, G the Smell, welcome, man. Joe Ray. There it is. There's William Battles, who's the one who requested this. Oh, we come full circle to you, William. You better still be here, or there's going to be heck to pay. All right. We gandered. Did you gander with us? What's up, Eric Henning? He's high on life. Very cool, man. Always good to be high on life, man. Oh, yeah. Is there now a Mitch Ray strand of cannabis, marijuana? That's the first, dude. Well, hey, Zero. Someone created a TA with Mitch Ray cryptocurrency coin. So I guess it's not out of their own possibility. Someone would make a cannabis strand, too. Someone could be trading Mitch Ray coin while doing Mitch Ray marijuana. In a legal state or province, of course. But, wow. How weird is that, man? Hey, man, y'all bring up these ideas. Y'all talk about this stuff in chat. I'm just reading what y'all are talking about. What's up, Alex, man? Love my jello. Tomcat, 4 a.m. You're on. Dude, thanks for being here at 4 a.m., man. That's devotion right there, unless you're an insomniac, right? Hey, Peter Pa. What's up, dude? Chris Veras, you want Activision Blizzard, man? Sure, dude. We'll look at Activision Blizzard, dude. And it's like weird, man, because it's like, yeah, dude, you think that there's some areas of value on Activision and stuff, but it's just like, dude, this rally that the stock market's been on since Christmas, or 26th of December, day after Christmas, and it hadn't stopped, and Activision's done nothing, can't do anything. How are these companies that have been eviscerated like that, how are they going to somehow perform when the market decides to retrace? And I'm talking when we eventually decide to create that swing high, which we're not too far off from that 786, that major 786, right, retrace. With divergence, you're clearly seeing on a daily time scale on the stock market. How is Activision going to like pop to the upside and be a good move, right, a good trade, when we know that at this point you're just FOMOing in. You're literally FOMOing into the stock market right now. If you any buys you make, it's a FOMO move. Unless you're looking at an asset that has a nice long position or short, that's fine. But remember, just like we talk about every time, almost every altcoin, make sure to analyze Bitcoin before you analyze the asset, the altcoin. Make sure on the stock market, one would want to, if they didn't want to get wrecked, one would want to analyze the major indices before they analyze the asset that they're looking at, that they want to trade. All right, it's just rule of thumb, man. Yeah, listening to 888.888 WRAY. That's right, King Logan, dude. I wish my voice was lower, dude. I mean, I can make it lower. I mean, dude, I can do the movie voice stuff, but like, naturally, my voice isn't that low. It's definitely not that radio voice that you're looking for, right? Sucks, man. Excuse me. Hey, 1G Project, man. Hello. The 1G Project, man. Johnny Krause just saying sub. Sub inverse sub, dude. No thanks, man. Dumpster fire. What's up, Robert Kurt, man? Is there a regular stream schedule or is it just random 4-star? Dude. 6 Eastern, 11 Eastern. Daily. That's it. 6 p.m. and 11 p.m. Eastern. Definitely not random. And I'm pretty punctual, dude. I'm probably more punctual than 99% of streamers out there, dude. Dude, I treat this like a job and I treat y'all like my boss, okay? What's up, Zipper, dude? Bitcoin people are delusional holders of Bitcoin. Dang, man. I don't know, man. I mean, like... look, I don't know, man. Holding, I get it. But, dude, you are in a pretty bearish trend right now. And, hey, man. There's nothing wrong with taking a long position, taking profit, exiting your position, and letting it play out. But dude, like I'm telling you, the major move for Bitcoin is when we make a retrace to 4,400 to 5,200. Those are great short opportunities. I said the trend you're in is bearish, man. So I gotta agree. Not saying people are delusional here, but I mean, like, you gotta think about the trend we're in. It's not bullish, man. We're not making higher highs, higher lows. Not like zooming out on Bitcoin. So, Christian, I don't think. Maybe it was a little harsh, but maybe that's some tough love coming from Warren Buffett. Okay. Sure, yeah, maybe he doesn't know about third gen blockchain, but Bitcoin is, you know, I mean, Lightning Network, right? Will Lightning Network can make Bitcoin become third gen blockchain? Can someone tell me that? Thanks. So MMB, Greg Hyson. MMB loves that boy good. It is an amazing movie, Emma. It really is a great freaking movie. That's right, dude. Invest in yourself and learn to TA and be kings. Exactly. The omen of life. Do I want to fight John Legend? No, man. I'm good, dude. I'm good. I'm rather sore. Okay. Body's broken down. Anthony Rosano misses the great FOMO. Yeah, dude. All right, we're just getting through chat. There's a lot of it I've missed so much, and I really do apologize. I'm starting to scroll a little faster now. What's up, Alessandro? Logo Dinosaur Man, what's up, dude? Would you say I look like I'm married with 2 kids now? I wish, man. What's up, Andy Forrest, man? Any clues on Ethereum to BTC? I don't know. Maybe. Look at this one in like 10 years or something. Kappa. Dude, it's been a minute, man. Been a long minute. Okay. I guess we can just go back and tripping through time, dude. Let's go tripping through time. Here's Ethereum to Bitcoin. All right, like, man, again, like, I'm just gonna take this one back to the drawing board here. Okay. Just jotting this down. All right, so I don't know, dude. You know, you had the structure here. Broke out, went sideways, kind of like double bottomed, right? And just in this little area, December 2017 area, and then bounced to higher low and lower high. And previous high. Okay, let's see what we can do here. We need to change colors. So who cares if we're going on a journey together, a TA journey. All right, what do you do with the wick here? Is that really, what can we do, man, with the wick? And do we actually implement it? Because if you did, you already broke out, right? Use high to low, you're out, dude. Okay. Interesting hindsight look, though, like the 25 support, the heartline resistance, the heartline support. When you broke, look where you went. You went straight up. Very nice. And the higher low to boot. So since we have broken out on Ethereum to Bitcoin, back from all-time highs, February 1st, 2018. Making sure this is perfect for you. Great. Okay, so with that being said, let's see if there's any new structure, which I think there is, right? Just an upsloping channel of some sort. It could have just been that descending or ascending broadening wedge that we were looking at too, right? Interesting. So look at that, man. We rally, pivoted, created our second anchor point, and it looks like we just hit that like a brick wall, didn't we? We hit it, the heart line, twice, and it sold off. That's cool. So that lets you know there's room in this little slight uptrend we're in, where you break down to 32,809 sats and you'd still be uptrending technically, right? I don't know what these touch points, man. See, if you look at it like that, I mean, you could be talking about a potential rising wedge, right? I wonder if that plays a role as a resistance in the future. It could. It very well could. But I think the way to fib this, man. All right, let's go to the daily. Dude, oh my God. This visibility is going to be all screwed up. Oh my God. Be all right. Okay, man. From your major high up there, way up there, dudes. We're talking about the discernible swing high from May 15th, 2018, all the way down the swing low. What are we doing? We're hitting the most shallow retrace twice now and failing. And this is what we're talking about on the Ethereum to US dollar pair, where it looks like potentially some sort of ascending triangle, right? But here, I don't know, man. You just do, it'd be just sort of symmetrical here if you anchor point at 1 and 2, right? So we know the common retrace zone on any asset, the golden zone, if you will, would put you between, you guessed it, man, no surprises here. Okay, between 48,181 and 62,583 cents. Okay, so you've just begun to break out. You've hit your first retrace, which is the most shallow. You don't normally stall out here, but man, if there's no demand, you sure as heck can, and it has happened many times. But the 382, 3618, the golden zone, is normally where you retrace in a bear trend before selling off to lower prices. Okay, so I just don't know, man, if this thing's done or not, because we just started breaking out in mid-December. Okay, there's your Ethereum to Bitcoin. Whoever asked, man. Andy Forrest, that was you, dude. Okay, pointing you out. Everyone point at Andy. Freaking Mondays, man. Freaking Mondays. What's up, Matthew Clifford, man? Local Dinosaurs been working hard, but things are good, man. Local Dinosaur, that's a wonderful thing to hear. Wonderful to hear, dude. I'm just happy to hear that you're back, man. You made it back to us, and it's always awesome, dude. Because I know everyone goes through things in life, and some people come and go, right? But there's a reason for everyone coming into your life, including me. If you're going through a struggle, hey man, I feel you, dude. I feel you, and this is a great positive environment to get yourself back together, hang out with the community, whatever, man. Okay, while you're going through it, we got you, dude. Fishhook, you talking about ascending scallop with a fishhook, that inverse J, or like reciprocal J or whatever. That's right, Logo Dinosaur. Glad to hear that, man. Dude, I'm so behind on chat. Good God. Jeez, man. Dude, I'm just gonna... Okay, wait. Dope Crypto Tiger, man. The colors on my simple moving averages. The 20 moving average is the yellow line. The purple or magenta line is the 50 moving average, simple moving average, and then the crimson or red line is the 200 simple moving average. Peter Piper, that's for you, dude. Okay. Yeah, dude, but that's like not major swing high stuff, dude. That's not really a major high, like major swing high. Dude, it didn't sustain prices above it on Bitcoin for us. Jeez, man. Dude, I can't even get through it. Holy crap, dude. 8,900 is greater than Larry. Is that an inside joke or something? Oh yeah. Well, here's Activision, man. This set me up in my 20s, dude. This set me up, dude, to be kings. But, hey, man. Didn't stick around for this crap, man. Dude, that BlizzCon thing was like canary in the coal mine. Hold on. So, sorry, I got like these 2 different days. Okay. I had 2 different time scales with visibility. Sometimes that happens. It gets really annoying. But look, man, huge impulse down, gap down, breakaway, and now you're down sloping with your consolidation. Hey, Mr. Forrest, man, thanks for the $2.22. Sorry, man, there's no TTS for anything under 3, just based on precedence, because people were literally spamming TTS with $1 tips for like 30 minutes, and we had to change it right there. It's like, can't do that, man. Can't do it. So thanks for the 222. Repeating, of course. Much love, man. The Ripple or XRP in the jar. Sure do. Alright, so Activision going the daily. Okay. What's happening, dude? What's happening? Well, we're getting ourselves some nice bullish divergence, dude. Nice bullish divergence. Holy crap. And where is this purple line at $40.76? It has to be important. It has to be something. Based on the fact that we have it there. It might be a gap. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a gap that has finally been filled. For the structure of this downsloping channel. I mean, dude. There's some daily divergence that's pretty nuts right now. After a gap fill. Wow. Could be asking for a nice break to the upside. If that's the case, man, but we don't know where the swing low is yet, so we can't fib yet, really. Not really, man. Dude, you go high to low, you're guessing right now. You're like, it's a hypothetical swing low. Dude, this is still in this wave. We're still in this wave, but dang, dude, after a gap fill like that, man, you gotta believe with the divergence that something could be happening soon, alright? You also hit a target of like 39. You fell below 40, and that was December of Christmas time of December of 2015, dude. Wow, man, how far we fell. So yeah, man, that's it, dude. I mean, look, if we could get ourselves a swing low, man, you should go from the high point to low point. Let's just say, I don't like doing this, man. Okay. I don't see. That's what I'm talking about. Like, you try to do the hypotheticals, and it's like, you know, you didn't have it, but you're just trying to say, for the sake of education, high to low on a daily time scale. If this was the very bottom, man, you're just looking for the golden zone, man. Any kind of retrace between the 382 and the 618, between $57 and $67.59. That's just a retrace, a lower high, and then you sell off again, because that's where people are looking to actively short this thing. Because it's common retrace, golden zone. That's it. Psychology, man. Whew, holy crap, man. Thanks for the 170 people here. Okay, so that's your Activision, whoever asked. You're welcome. Interesting. There's IOTA. Someone asked about IOTA. Okay, downsloping channel, right? You know, you got the huge impulse and then consolidation, right? Consolidation that has two parallel trend lines that are downsloping, right? So within that, though, we had this downsloping little miniature teal channel, and we broke out of it with bullish divergence, and we ran to the upside from the high to low, but there's no buying pressure able to get you anywhere above the 50 or 200 moving average, 200-day moving average. You were so close to a golden cross in the daily, and this move down has made it to where everything, look at your slower moving averages are just, look where they're pointing downward, right? 20's trying to pivot a little bit because it's faster because of this little move here, but dude, from the high to low, you got very close to 382, but did not quite get it because the 50 and again 200 acted as the resistance. So I don't know, man, you wanted more than this, you're just not getting it right now. So, but other than that, you're just in the dead middle of the parallel channel and could go one way or another, right? So that's it. Normally when you fail to break daily time scale moving average like this, you know, just sell off, whatever.
Boom. Collision. Raised fist.
Is that a joint?
Hey, Jonathan Krause, man. Mon. Dude, thanks for the 420 again, man. Keeping it rolling, dude. Thank you, man. I really appreciate that. Okay. Gangs. Amazing, dude. Okay. Hey, Julia. How you doing? Glad you made it. Yeah, I looked at WFT. I saw you were saying, but like, I don't know. I'm just trying to make sense of this crap, dude. And to me, it just looks like this. Okay, like you're just a scrub, huge downtrend. You're back to prices you haven't seen since 1992. I think that was around the time Batman with Michael Keaton was coming out or something. I think that was in 89 or something. I don't know, whatever. It doesn't matter. But look, dude, I'm just talking about this way back. Historical support. You're finally hitting. Dude. I don't even. There it is. Yeah, way back here. 1992. Alright. That's great, dude. Maybe, just maybe, look, you fell below it, though. I mean, you got super scary, ran up, but unfortunately, man, it's just like ebbing. I mean, this is just how it's going, man. Like a high to a low, retracing 23% of the way. I mean, maybe you run up again, who cares? It's a huge bear trend. Are you asking where to short or what? I mean, you're just saying it's a great area to go long just because it's long. I mean, I don't know the fundamentals of Weatherford International, but there's probably a real good reason why it's down to 1992 prices. Probably really, really bad. Right. So yeah, I mean, I tried to make sense of maybe some sort of wedge or something. I don't know. It just didn't look that great to me. And who cares? You're in an extremely bearish trend. You're at, you know, right around 52-week lows. So you can you're clearly discernible daily swing high to low. Yep, you're at a 23% retrace. Maybe you run up again to, you know, whatever, 124, eventually 382, golden zone, before selling off again. There's always the chance you could go between this area before selling off again. Okay, that's it. Geez, man, on the MACD, you got, dude, really showing divergence, bearish divergence. All right, like from your height to your higher high, the lower levels positive momentum. Maybe we run up again, and then we get triple MACD, bearish divergence, whatever. But I don't know. Frankly, it's not that great, man. Just bearish, and towards the bottom of the down sloping structure we're in, that we've been in since really, like, good God, man, 2015. Thanks, Jonathan, man. Might as well. Sure, Christopher Harris, man. Glad to hear that you might be trying to dip your feet into a traditional market where most assets have, you know, underlying fundamental value because of the products they sell. And they're regulated by the SEC, so they have to report to you every quarter. Holy crap, dude. I know it's crazy. I know it's crazy, man.
Is that a joint?
How do we feel about BTT? Losing the hype?
Well, let me see, dude. Hey, Gabriel, thanks for the 420 contribution, man. Really appreciate it. Dude, I don't know why I hate this song so much, dude.
Hey Mitch, thanks for being awesome. Could we have a look at Palladium, XPD?
Yeah, sure, John Denver. Thanks for the 3s. Repeating, of course. Give me a sec. Let me process all that. 2 seconds. Hold on. How perfect was that, man? Wow. So beautiful. It was do or die time, and we died. Hilarious. Is it losing hype? Is it losing hype at all, man? I would say so. I'd say surely kind of is. Here it is, dude. Here's the BTT to USDT. Remember we had the down sloping resistance, false breakout, tried again, lower high, and dumped. And here we are bouncing along the 75% trend line of the equidistant channel, and not really doing anything, just kind of down sloping a little bit. This is a 4-hour time scale. Finally, we can actually look at this. 4 hour. Good. Crap. Visibility. So we should be okay here. Alright, so any kind of upsloping support had been broken, right? So screw that line. Well, here you go, man. Simple. Bread and butter. I don't know, man. Should we make the adjustment? Just everything lines up pretty freaking well here. I'm not gonna mess with it. Okay, so 60 minutes. You had a little divergence. You broke the upside, made a lower high. Solve again. Jeez, man. What is it? Just this little miniature scrub pattern. Yeah, just I don't know, it's not really proper consolidation, right? Impulse down sloping consolidation. Normally you'd like to break the upside, but dude, you know, you got a 60-minute golden cross or death cross, right? Today. Okay, this big move down helped usher in that. So you're below your moving averages right now. You're actually using the 20 MA on the 60-minute as a resistance. That's not good. So I don't know, man. These S coins, they have their nice moves, the lower high, right? And you're still making higher lows technically, right? You still are until you fall below right here, this area. Interested to see if we can hold between the ranges here, right? You know, the low point, the high point could very well, you know, down here, 83.47 could be some sort of rectangle going on. Wyckoff stuff. Now your lowest risk area, I think you got some lower risk areas way down here. Okay, 83.37. Wait, what is this? No, sorry. They're off 77.20 and 73.63. This is 83.37. Okay, this bottom touch point here. Okay, so it might be low risk, but if you get stopped out, there are other areas to maybe potentially take those little long shots, whatever. Okay, but we know we're making only lower highs. And technically, right now, still higher lows. BTT. Done, dude. Dude. This is crazy, man. This is crazy, dude. All right. It's gone, dude. It's gone. XPD. Go the weekly. I don't know. I had another asset, or it was charted another way. We're on another chart, so we're just gonna do this one now. 1 and 2. Oh my God.
Boom. Collision. Raised fist. Bowing deeply. Billiards. Fire.
Is that a joint?
That boy is good.
Jonathan, man, dude, thanks for the 1337, man. Hey, it finally picked up there, that session top thing. I don't know. It's wonderful, dude. Really, really appreciate it. Dang, man. Very generous and very grateful. All right. You're amazing, dude. Gangs. So look at this, Jonathan, man. What's going on, dude? Mr. Forrest, oh, by the way, on his 222 tip, he said, awesome. Thanks, Ray. Interesting times ahead for crypto. Fire speed. Fire speed indeed, man. I don't understand. Where is the other tip that requested this? I can't find it now. I'll have to refresh. John Denver. Okay, John Denver here, man. Look. John the Cross and John Denver. At the top, man. 1 and 2 and 3. Dude, on a weekly, I'm talking weekly. This is insane. A weekly 85. No. Yeah, 85.2. That's insane, dude.
BitMEX trades. Satoshi. Fade if you get a chance. Also when you coming to LA land again. Thanks, Mitch.
Sometime in March, dude. Sometime in March. We'll keep you posted on that. I think I'm just gonna get a house sitter when I'm gone, dude. I trust my alarm systems because I have multiple alarm systems, but I don't know, man. I might just pay someone money to just sit in my house. But yeah, dude. Yeah, we'll look at it, man. Thanks for the 555 repeating, of course. I'm not gonna. La La Land. Oh, okay. LA Land. Theta. Okay, Theta. Cheers, dude. So what do we do here, man? Oh my God. What do you even do here, man? I mean, you're just looking at these crazy fib extensions, dude. High to low. That's it, dude. Like, I mean, you can do here to here. You can try. I don't think that fib extension is gonna really work for you. I mean, maybe. Yeah. And see, they're literally confluent. All right, they're just the same area. So the 2618 is up here, like you're near it, right? 1629, 1630, 1640. That's that next fib extension. You're in outer space, man. You're literally in outer space, and you're touching the living crap perfectly of the top trend line of the equidistant freaking channel, man. All right. There's no pattern structure here. It's just pandemonium, inverse pandemonium. All right. Straight up, weekly. I mean, dude, these touch points go back to 2008, 2011, and now here we are, 2019. Wow. So, dude, there's just, it's almost like someone asking about, you know, some S coin that's gone to the moon. Bitcoin's dumped down a little bit, hasn't it? Wow, hitting that bottom trend line. Hey, by the way, we got to do it, man. We got to. Local on the 8s, man. Just 10 minutes late. Beautiful though, dude. Beautiful. Gotta be very, very happy about that, man. Look, dude, this is your 4-hour whatever. Jeez. There you have it. Magic. There you go, man. There's your crazy velocity trend. Started in August, September. Okay. Jeez. I mean, I guess on the 4-hour you can go high to low here, and you're probably hitting some fib extensions, some reasonable ones. Nope, you've exceeded the 1618 even there, dude. Already poo, dude. All right, we'll do Bitcoin, then we'll do Theta. Sorry, we got to look at Bitcoin. Is anyone scared, man? Why would you be scared if you made all those sick gains? Okay. Why would you be scared? Okay, dude. So here it is, dude. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. I'm trying to get this pinpoint accurate, dude. Not good, dude. Alright. Still looks like a bear flag of some sort. But the only thing that is keeping you from being really scared is just this upslipping support, but I just don't know how it will hold. Please, come on, man. We got to make these higher lows if we're to be kings again in the future. All right. That's it. Bearishly engulfing right now. We got 2 hours, 50 minutes left. Okay. On this 4-hour candle. Whatever. Volume, low. Low volume. Big surprise. Holy cow, Weatherford a dumpster. That's right, Wild Mojo. It sure is. Andy Forrest says total market cap seems to be hanging in there. Awesome, Andy, man. Thanks for the update, dude. Sure thing, Gabriel, dude. Thanks for asking for it, man. That John Denver is full of S, man. Old Dumb and Dumber, dude. When I see that movie and it gets towards the end part, more end part, I guess, when they're in Colorado, it makes me always want to go to Colorado, dude. It's just so wonderful looking out there. Beautiful. Those mountains, man. Bitcoin dumping. Okay, whatever. You call it a dump, man. Call a $40, $35 move a dump. Okay, cool. Bitcoin's $5 now? Dang, dude. I missed one epic dump, dude. We're still in the midst of just developing our consolidation pattern, y'all. Please understand that. Okay. I think that's what we're doing anyway. I mean, sure, the dump could just happen, man, but, you know, we're still working on it. Still probably going to change the anchor. Look, if it pops and goes the upside a little bit, we'll just change the anchor here and make it look like that. Okay, whatever, dude. Probably going ahead and doing that right now. Yeah. Whatever, dude. Or 1 and 2 and 3. Bear pull, bear flag. That's what it's looking like right now. Is this Montreal tech music? You learn something new every day, man. I can barely even hear it on my side, to be honest. Okay. Terrifying guy, you liked the bearish butterfly? Man, wow, dude. You were the only person that actually even said anything about the education. On day stream, I was like, okay, I guess no one cares. It's like, whatever, I'll talk to y'all later. Jeez, it was a tough crowd today. Hey, boy. Nice. Nice. Okay. Let's go to theta. Just gonna wrap this up. Early, whatever. Well, that's not theta. That's something else. Okay, man. 62% retrace. The golden retrace. All your dreams have come true. They have, man. And you want a little bit of bonus. Some bonus. Cup with handle. Measured movement. Okay, cup with handle. You have the rounding action. Someone was asking, is this a cup with handle, man? So, you know, maybe, dude. Maybe a cup. I don't know, handle, not very discernible there, right? Jeez. I mean, dude, you never got it really. I mean, okay. If this was the cup with handle, man, and we go by our education, the cup, man, it was like this, like straight down, okay? Pretty large. I mean, look, man, you can clearly see the two tops of the cup. And you just measure it from the breakout, and there you have it, way beyond it, right? We've exceeded the measured move. All right. So, not by much, but look, you could see we definitely stalled here, pulled back, and then we ran again and hit from your major high to major low. That's what you'd be looking for, maybe a secondary, third target, okay? That's it. Fibs, man, fibs. So maybe we keep going. Maybe, dude. See if there's any kind of channel here. If you had one, it looks like you maybe broke it and just kept going. It's almost like you had something and then you started consolidating. It was just like a bull pull bull flag or something, right? To some degree.
Education.
Education, Jack Black. Thanks for the 3-3 repeating, of course, man. That's right, education. I'm sorry, I wish I could be more entertaining. It's just tough, man. All right, it's not easy. So whatever, pin it, wedge, flag, whatever you want to say, man. I mean, you can, dude. This is like literally showing you what you can do in all situations. Look, man, come on. It's the widest areas of some two trend lines that converge together. Obviously it's the meat and the height of the consolidation. Move up, consolidate, you broke out, and where'd you go, man? Literally from the low to the high, you hit the measured move like almost perfectly, dude. Look, there it is, man. There's the wick too. You can see the wick. All right, it's just okay. These things do. There's so many ways to interpret this. You can look at it the longer way, saying it's just hitting the golden retrace. Then the short term, you can say it was a pennant, wedge, whatever, and it just broke out bullishly, and it's fulfilling its destiny. Destiny. Blah. Just stuttered, man. Okay, whatever, man. There you go, BitMEX Trades, dude. Thanks for the 555 repeating, of course. Oh, did we get the fireworks, man? Alright. Thank y'all. There it is. Appreciate it. Okay. That's it, man. It's been a pretty good show, man. We've looked at some good stuff. Hope y'all like the tooltip, or whatever, for a thumbnail, whatever you want to call it, for the show. I've started trying to invest in myself a little bit more on actually making my own thumbnails, but dude, that adds so much more. That's just like another thing I gotta know, I gotta learn, I gotta work on. It's gotta be implemented into my process, my daily process of all these other things I already have to do to prepare for stream and stuff. So just trying to be self-sufficient, but it's not easy at all. Thanks, Jonathan, man. Can there be a daily cup? I don't know, man. That's not really That's so jagged, dude. You're really looking for rounded action. That's as close to anything rounded as I can give you, man. Dude, look for the non-jagged spikes. Okay, look for the round, smooth. Dude, that is such a strong characteristic that you gotta have for those rounded bottoms or cups with handles. Never stop smiling, man. I'm trying, man. I'm doing everything I can. Just keep working on myself to forget the old crap. Just walking away. Setting something free. Never easy, okay? Thanks, Julia. Love you too, Jonathan. Thanks. Thanks, TMC Poker, man. I appreciate it, dude. Really appreciate it. Thanks for the kind words, man. That's right, Zasher, man. Thank you, dude. Appreciate it. So I'll okay. It's been a good stream, y'all. Really has. Very grateful for each and every one of y'all. Jonathan Krause, man, thanks so much for all the contributions tonight. Good mixed trades. John Denver, Gabriel, Mr. Forrest, man. That's it. Thank y'all. And thanks for a few new subs. So I'll be back tomorrow. So until next time, respect the TA.
City carved a silhouette on the ocean after dark, over the lonely and the holy and the red blood beating hearts. Up from the dirty black water, a shadow void of form raised itself out of the river, and it climbed upon the shore. Neon on the blacktop, there's a gentle rain downtown, a shadow pooling underneath me as it follows on the ground. Kissed you when I saw you, stared deep into your eyes. I meant to say I love you, but instead I said goodbye. Shadows in the city, I'm a stranger to myself. On these streets I'm someone else. Shadows in the city, like a demon in the dark, come to tear us apart. Beyond the city. City. mentions, there's a shadow in the dark. He comes to me infrequently and breaks your perfect heart. I don't know why I do it, apologize, but it's too late. A single tear and you leave me here, and the shadow slips away. Shadows in the city, I'm a stranger to myself. On these streets I'm someone else. Shadows